In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to CapCut PC with an email or Google account in just a few simple steps. If you're trying to get into the desktop app quickly so you can access your projects, sync your account, and start editing without any delays, this guide is for you. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the CapCut PC app on your desktop. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click the Sign In button. This is where CapCut gives you the option to connect your account and unlock your saved work and features. After clicking Sign In, a pop-up menu will appear with different login options. From that menu, select Continue with Google. This will begin the secure sign-in process through your browser. Next, your default web browser will automatically open. Here, you'll need to choose the Google account you want to use for CapCut. If you're already signed into more than one account, make sure you select the correct one. After that, Google may ask you to review permissions and allow CapCut access to sign in. Go ahead and grant the permission so the connection can be completed. This step is important because it lets CapCut verify your account and link it properly to the desktop app. Once you've approved access in the browser, go back to the CapCut PC app. In just a moment, it should refresh and show that you're fully logged in. At this point, you can start using CapCut with your Google account connected, which makes it much easier to manage your editing workflow and keep everything synced. If you wanted to sign in using an email account instead, the process is very similar depending on the options available in your version of CapCut. But for this tutorial, the Google sign-in method is the fastest and easiest way to get connected on PC. So that's it. You've now learned how to sign in to CapCut PC with a Google account. It only takes a minute once you know where to click, and now you're ready to get back to editing. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful CapCut tips and step-by-step guides.